First of all, you have to make sure this is switched off. Get a ladder, but if you don't have a ladder, you can improvise like we are doing right now. And then next, we will take off this old one, this old fluorescent tube. Taking it out is important to be able to fix the new one. Then this is how you do it. There is a twist, you twist and twist. I'm sorry there's no light here. I think I have to put a flash. You twist it to the side and then push it out a bit. Good, and it goes. This place is so dusty. You also do the same thing for this other end. One side is already off, so it's easier to go off with this part.
This is the part where we need to slide in the new one.
Okay.
So without this is not the horizontal pattern.
Okay.
Because of the twist I made. Right?
Yeah.
This is now. This is horizontal. This is also horizontal.
Yeah.
So it will be easy to slide in the new tube.
Okay. Due to the nature of this fluorescent tube, it's quite dusty and old. You may not be able to see the horizontal line, but if you check yours, you'll be able to see the horizontal line properly. Then we're going to slide this in. This is a new tube, a new fluorescent tube. You fix it into the horizontal line, slide it in.
That's the contact end.
Yeah.
So you know this point is quite old.
Yeah.
It's not sliding in so easy because of there are a lot of obstructions there.
Yeah.
But I think it's easier for this end.
Yeah.
Can you feel this end?
Yeah, I can see the end.
Can you see it's sliding in smoothly? Can you see?
Yeah.
It's sliding in smoothly.
Yeah.
Now I can now make a twist so the tube doesn't fall off easily. Just to lock it.
Okay, make a twist.
Yeah, so let's twist the. Not moving smoothly. Let me see.
This is quite an old fluorescent tube.
Fluorescent holder. Fluorescent tube holder. Okay?
Yeah.
Let me make the twist now. It's
Okay.
now moving.
Yeah. Gently twist.
This is, I made clockwise twist, okay?
Yeah. Oh,
And
there's a speed.
this is works now. Can we turn on the bulb? Let's see if it works.
Okay.
Is it on?
Yes.
It's still on.
Yeah. So if it doesn't come on, you have to touch the what they call that? There is, oh.
There's a starter here.
Yeah, there's a starter over there.
You can adjust it a little. And you know, because this tube holder is old,
Yeah.
the contact ends could also be faulty to some extent. So
Yeah.
you need to make a little adjustment to make the appropriate contacts to get the light on.
Okay.
Okay. Turn it off. Let's see how it goes. On again.
Perfect.
Alright, so that's it. Holder is back here.
So it's now on, and here is how you fix your fluorescent tubes.
Turn on.
Make sure you turn off the switch. You turn it off again. Make sure you turn off the switch. Good. And then we go. Make sure you twist, 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 twist and turn, twist.
Until you feel some resistance.
Yeah. Until you feel it's tight.
Yes. Some resistance as you twist it in a clockwise manner. Use stop.
Yeah. Twist in a clockwise. Twist in a clockwise manner. Oh yeah. You switch it on again. Let's see. Woo! The light is on, and that's how you change your light bulb. On again. Perfect. Have a great day, guys. Subscribe to the channel. and stay tuned for more content.